Welcome to the Hardware Asset Management Rome Release Delta. My name is Annie Sue, and I am an IT Asset Management Solution Consultant here at ServiceNow. At ServiceNow, we operate to deliver innovation through our twice-a-year release process. The features listed above highlight this continuous focus on innovation driven with input from our customers. We have made significant investments across the board to continue HAM innovation on the Rome release. There are 4 new features and 1 new enhancement. The driving factor to these new features is support for HAM use cases that are increasingly common in the modern enterprise. We have created a new asset health dashboard. Asset managers and admins need to track the health status of assets present in the organization. The following reports on the asset health dashboard support this purpose. Incomplete assets gives us visibility into active assets without purchasing information. Asset incident frequency shows assets with highest number of incidents reported over the past 12 months. Eligible for refresh assets shows active hardware assets with eligible for refresh flag set to true. Active assets not discovered show active assets for which a configuration item has not been discovered in the last 30 days. These reports support proactive risk and cost avoidance, giving us the ability to identify faulty, missing, and aging assets ahead of time. Our customers have end users who want to reserve a loaner hardware asset for temporary use. The HAM or stockroom manager needs to have visibility into this reservation request and automate the process where possible. Asset reservations is a prescriptive workflow allowing users to reserve a hardware asset for temporary use. A reservation algorithm confirms or waitlists the request based on asset availability for the request period. This feature builds upon the loaner or asset flow released in Quebec. This feature increases visibility and automation. HAM or stockroom managers will now know clearly what loaner assets are being requested by end users. Mobile asset class and licensing. As a HAM manager, I need to add and monitor mobile assets in ServiceNow. I also want to customize my ServiceNow HAM subscription based on the types of hardware asset resource categories, such as end user computers, servers, network gear, mobile devices, and I want to do this in ServiceNow. For mobile asset class, this is enhanced support for mobile devices, inclusive of a new asset class and field attributes, including IMEI, carrier, phone number, service contract, enrollment date, upgrade eligible date, and device activated. For HAM licensing, customers can choose which hardware asset resource categories they use as part of their ServiceNow contract. To receive ServiceNow HAM functionalities, the end user can opt in to the applicable hardware asset resource categories. Note, HAM flows are not restricted. These features increase data visibility for mobile assets tracked in HAM Pro. This enhances flexibility for HAM managers to choose which hardware asset resource categories from their contract will be managed in ServiceNow. As a HAM manager, I would like to follow a standard practice for return merchandise authorization, or RMA, use cases. How can ServiceNow help? ServiceNow HAM on Rome includes a prescriptive workflow for conducting an RMA. The workflow drives the exchange of non-functional assets with vendors. It includes repair or exchange of asset by third-party vendors, and asset records are updated automatically as RMA tasks are completed in workflow. This feature increases automation. HAM managers can leverage ServiceNow to workflow their RMA use cases for faulty hardware. The major enhancement in hardware asset management is the alignment of the product status, asset state, and substate attributes on the ServiceNow platform to the CSDM product lifecycle model. Thank you for tuning in to the new features coming to hardware asset management in the Rome release. Please visit our website or reach out if you have any questions.